Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 17 of the 30-day stretching challenge. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you showed up. Today we have a dynamic stretching flow, should be relatively quick, get the whole body moving, feeling a little bit looser, less stiff. So when you are ready, find yourself a comfortable position. You probably want a squishy mat or a nice carpet for this one, as we will be transitioning between seated and kneeling throughout the practice. When you arrive on your mat, take a few breaths to settle in, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. With every inhale, thinking of sitting up taller. With every exhale, releasing any tension you might be feeling. Starting off with some seated cat-cows today. Inhale to reach the fingertips up. Clasp your hands behind your head, making a little cradle. And as you inhale, look up, open through the chest. And as you exhale, round through the back, gaze toward the ground, try to bring the elbows together. Take a few rounds like this at your own speed. The next time your elbows open out wide, right fingertips find the mat, coming into a side bend over to the right. Gaze up and over. Left fingertips come to the mat, side bend over to the left. Moving with your breath here, inhaling to center, exhaling, side bend. One more each side. Inhale to sit up tall, reach the fingertips up. Taking a twist, right fingertips reach back, left fingertips reach forward, looking up and over the right shoulder. Imagine you're being pulled in opposite direction. Inhale to reach your hands up, and exhale, twist over to the other side. Let's take a few more to each side. One more each way. The next time you come back through to center, just switch the crossing of your feet. Resettling, sitting up tall. Shoulder stretch, take the right arm across the body. Wiggle the fingers. Maybe you want to roll out the wrist while you're here. Release the right arm. Left arm reaches across. Release. Right arm. And left arm. Inhale to reach both hands up. Tricep stretch. Bend the right elbow. Guide the elbow down and back using the left hand. From here, adding a little side bend over to the left. Doesn't have to be a big movement here. Inhale to reach up, tricep stretch on the other side, adding a little side bend. Release your hands up to the sky and come on over, all fours position. Stacking your hips over your knees and your shoulders, over your wrists. Inhale to reach the right fingertips up. And exhale to come on down, threading your arm underneath your left. To make this a little bit more active, reach your left fingertips up toward the sky. Then take your hands together, clasp them, and try to reach them away from your body. Last breath in. Bring your left fingertips to the mat. Right fingertips reach up and then release down to the mat. Extend your right leg out behind you, coming into a calf stretch. Gently rock forward and back, opening up through the back of the right leg. Also stretching out the wrists. And as you find stillness, rebend the right knee, hip circles out and up. Finding some motion through the right hip joint. And after you've gone in one direction, switch and go the other direction. Find stillness. Step your right foot in between your hands to find a lunge. Allow the hips to sink towards the mat. Fingertips can stay on the ground for a little bit of support, or to deepen the stretch, you can take your hands up to your thigh. Sliding your shoulder blades down and back, opening through the chest. Half split. Fingertips come to the mat. Press your hips back. Flex the right toes. Think about bringing your right hip back, your left hip forward, feeling an amazing stretch all through the back of the right leg. Shift forward. And step the right foot back, all fours. Maybe you want to shift your hips from side to side here. On your next inhale, reach your left fingertips up toward the sky and thread the arm through, coming down onto your left shoulder. Check in with your hips. Try to make sure they're as level and even as you can. Inhale, if you would like a little more, to reach your right fingertips up, and then clasp your hands together and pull them away from your body, opening through the back. Take one more full deep breath in. Right fingertips finding the mat. Unravel yourself. Reach your left fingertips up, 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 up. Place them on the mat. This time the left leg extends out behind you. Add a gentle rock forward and back.
Hello, it's editing Amy here. I forgot to do hip circles on the left, so rebend your left knee and take some hip circles going in one direction and then the other direction.
Let's find that lunge. Slowly rebend the right leg. Sorry, left leg. Left leg steps forward, foot between the hands. Hips release slowly down to the mat. Press into the back, top of the foot for a little bit of support here. And for a little bit more, take your hands onto your left thigh, rolling your shoulders back, opening through the chest. Should feel an amazing stretch through the right hip flexors here. Half split, fingertips to the mat for some support as you slowly shift your hips back. Flex your left toes up toward the sky. Breathing in to find length. Breathing out to hinge at the hips. Slowly shift your weight forward. Step your left knee back. Hands come under shoulders. Tuck your back toes. Lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Bend your knees a lot. Press into all 10 fingers to help lift the hips up toward the sky. Adding a little pedal, bending one knee even more and then the other. Waking up the backs of the legs. On your next breath, reach your right leg up and back, three-legged dog. Open up your hip, bend the knee, allow your hips to stack. Feeling a stretch through the front of the right leg, the inner groin area. Stay in stillness and breathe, or add a very small hip circle, slowly taking the knee in one direction and then switching to the other direction. One more full deep breath in. Release any tension in your jaw. Slowly bring your hips back to level. Step your right foot on the outside of your right hand. Lower the back knee down. Coming into a lizard pose here. So your right knee can gently open out to the side to deepen the stretch. You're going to feel a lot of sensation through the right hip, so just breathe into that area. I like to add a little bit of a rock here from side to side, but just do what feels good for you and your body. You might just want to stay and breathe. You can also deepen the posture by coming down onto your forearms if you'd like a little bit more. Stay here, or to add on a quad stretch, find some stillness. Bend the left knee, reach back with your right hand, grab hold of the left foot, gaze up and over your right shoulder. Take another full deep breath in. Release your foot. Heel toe your right foot in towards center. Lift up the back knee and step back, downward facing dog. Exhale, sigh it all out. Maybe shake your head yes, shake your head no. On your next inhale, reach your left foot up and back. Three-legged dog. Bend the knee, open up your hips to stack. Breathing into the front of the left leg. Taking a few hip circles in one direction and then the other if that feels all right for your body. Slowly come back to center. Step your left foot in between, or to the left, outside of your left hand, sorry. Drop your right back knee. Untuck the toes. Stay here or allow your left knee to open out a little to the side, just to give yourself a little bit more space as you open through the left hip. Adding a small rock from side to side or option to go down onto your forearms, wherever you are. Taking deep inhales and deep exhales. If you'd like, quad stretch. Bend the right knee, reach back, grab hold of the right foot wherever it is. Open up through the chest, roll the left shoulder back. Awesome. Release your foot. Find your way back to downward facing dog. Slowly begin to walk your hands toward your feet. You can take your feet out a little wider if you need to make this happen. When you get into your forward fold, bend your knees a lot. Maybe even allow your chest to rest on your thighs as you completely release all tension out of your upper body. Option to grasp opposite elbow here and sway from side to side. Finding some stillness. Inhale, place your hands on your hips. Exhale to slowly press into the feet, roll all the way up to standing. We'll end with one full body stretch. Inhaling to reach the fingertips up toward the sky, maybe a bit of a back bend at the top. And exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, elbows driving towards the earth, opening through the chest. Shake everything out. Awesome. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.